EWS is really excited to be a part of SIH. And this is one of the most important initiatives that can happen today in India for innovation. AWS was born in 2014 out of innovation itself from Amazon. And that was the creation, as we say, of the public cloud, which is one of the biggest reasons for why innovation has been democratized across the world. If you think about technology that used to be available, even machine learning, AI used to be available 50, 60 years ago. But it's really the availability of the cloud that has democratized the availability of technology such as AI, machine learning, for true innovation. And I think in the context of India and the Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, this becomes a really, really important means to be able to create avenues for innovation for students and participants all across India.
Minds, it also provides excellent opportunity for networking to the participants. Moreover, SIH is setting the tradition of contributing to the overall security environment and thus serving the nation. This is a step towards fulfilling the mission of the Honorable Prime Minister towards building Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India. We are eagerly looking forward to the address of the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, this evening. His interaction with the students will be the high point of our engagement during this event. Thank you all for participating in the SIH. Thanks for inviting me to this opening ceremony. I'm sure the innovative and creative ideas will unlock new vistas and opportunities for both the organizers and the participants. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Of having worked in this for the last 4 years, I have observed that Smart India Hackathon is a signature event in an individual student's lifetime. Some of the participants who have come here in the last few years, and I've had a chance to meet some of them, have been brilliant in their way of thinking, and that they have been inspired by this event so much that they have gone ahead and built out next generation startups and new technology companies. And that's what Smart India Hackathon is all about.
72 different organizations who have given problems, 32 of them central government ministries, then we have 13 state governments, 27 of them private industries, corporations, and totally 243 problem statements in the software edition. And as many as 71 startups have emerged in the last 3 years. We have 19 very successful startups, 331 prototypes developed. I think these numbers may be small today, but the ecosystem which is getting developed.
This hackathon has picked up problem statements which actually relate to social sector, the empowerment of women, the cyber security for women. There are so many cases that are being reported. The problems of developing states like Uttarakhand and others, health systems. I think these are the very important issues that are being touched by this hackathon. I definitely need to congratulate the entire team and appreciate their effort.
Programs like Smart India Hackathon are going to be very essential in calculating the innovative and scientific mindset among students and academia, as envisaged in our newly launched National Education Policy 2020. I have been part of various hackathons where lakhs of students compete across the country through various nodal centers. All the students, mentors, jury members, and organizers used to visit the nodal centers physically to make Smart India Hackathon a reality. However, this year it is not possible to come to physical nodal centers due to prevalence of coronavirus pandemic across the nation. This is why we decided to create virtual centers imitating physical nodal centers where you all can join from the comfort of your home and compete, evaluate.
आज जो हमको बहुत खुशी होगी इस बात की कि इन तमाम व्यस्तताओं के बाद भी हमारे देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी शाम को हम सब के बीच आ रहे हैं, हमको अपना आशीर्वाद देने के लिए आ रहे हैं। इससे बड़ी खुशी का विषय मान लीजिए क्या हो सकता है कि जिनके मन से ये बीज उपजा है वो बीज आज वट वृक्ष के रूप में आगे बढ़ता जा रहा है। और प्रधानमंत्री जी शाम को हमको आशीर्वाद देने के लिए हमारे बीच होंगे। तो एक बार मैं सभी छात्र छात्राओं जो इसमें सहभागी हुए हैं, आपने बहुत स्टार्टअप शुरू किए हैं। मुझे मालूम है कि AICTE ने बहुत सारे वित्तीय सहायता भी दी है और बहुत सारे जो ये आइडियाज आपके आए हैं, ये धरती पर क्रियान्वित होते हुए जा रहे हैं। लोगों को आप पर भरोसा होना चाहिए, किसी भी राज्य सरकार को, किसी भी केंद्र सरकार के विभाग को और किसी भी उद्योग जगत के उद्योगपति को कि हाँ, कोई भी समस्या होगी, मेरे देश का ये नौजवान हैकाथॉन के दिशा में उसका समाधान मिनटों के हिसाब से, घंटों के हिसाब से, दिनों के हिसाब से उसका समाधान करेगा। तो एक बार मैं फिर अभय जेरी आपको और अनिल जी आपको मैं शुभकामना दे रहा हूं कि आप इस अभियान को लगातार तेजी से आगे बढ़ाएं। और जो जुड़े हुए हैं मेरे साथ, मैं उनको भी अभिनंदन कर रहा हूं, उनको भी शुभकामना देता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।